Yep. Again. 3 times now. Oh my gosh, look at this poor moose. You guys, look at that. Did you see that? She was struggling to get through that bank. You guys seeing this? Hi, I'm Hunter with Alaska Wild Mountain Family YouTube channel, and it's snowing a lot in Alaska right now. Check this out. This is my garage. This is the snow at the garage. That's almost 2 feet deep. In fact, let's check. All right. Well, you guys watched me plow everything before, or you knew I was plowing everything before. That was on 14 inches. This is almost 17 inches. You can see the snow is still falling, and it's not supposed to stop until like Friday. No joke. I'm serious, folks. So anyways, I'm gonna get started. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, December 13th. It's about, I think it's at 24 degrees. It's not super cold, not bad. I'm at the fourplex. I'm gonna get started on plowing this out and shoveling everything out, and check back in with you guys up at the property. So some crazy sunset sky action. Mountains in the background, cloud shelf. It's snowing where I am. It's like pinkish reddish color over there. It is snowing like crazy, and then it's getting ready to change, and then it's gonna start snowing like crazy again. It's just a snowy time of the year. Here we are, pulling up to the property out here. It is narrow. Looks like the plow guy came through and made like one pass. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's probably about those berms over here. These are about 3 feet high. I'm trying to plow, and check this. This is crazy, you guys. We got a lot of snow. Look at this. This is my path. I just plowed one path there. So this over here, this is probably about 3 feet right at the top of this, and that out there is probably about 2.5 feet. This is crazy. Well, you can even see that semi-trailer there, how high off the ground it is, and you can see the snow is halfway up. All the snow berms I just made the other day, they're all just buried. Snowmageddon. It's awesome. It's crazy how much snow there is out here. This is freaking wicked. Wicked. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna have to get my sled out and start riding. Okay guys, this is what it looks like to plow this much snow. It's gonna start boiling up. I'm halving the blade. I'm not taking a whole blade, or it'll be way worse. Look at this. Snow is just wadding up in front of the plow. Wadding up deeper, deeper, deeper. Push, hit reverse, come back straight immediately. You cannot mess that up, or you will get stuck. So I'm just trying to get some footage of this because this is an epic amount of snow for us, and like it's just crazy that like we got this much all at once in like a couple of day, 3-4 day period is even wilder. But like usually a big dump would be like, 6 or 8 inches would be pretty decent, and like sometimes we'll get like a foot or maybe 10 inches, but not like I'm pretty sure that's like over there where it's virgin. I bet that's a solid 18 to 20 inches deep. Like this is big. For us, this is a big amount of snow. I know there's places like, Buffalo, New York, and, obviously places in the Rockies and Canada, Whistler, places that get awesome amounts of snow too. I'm not trying to say that this is the most snow ever, but anywhere. But for us, this is This is a lot. Can't see anything. It's ridiculous. I've been plowing since 6 o'clock in the morning, you guys. I'm getting a little bit fried. I just wanted you guys to see the depth of this snow, how crazy deep it is, and then how it looks. Oh, that's loud. How it looks when it's coming over the truck. Like, it's just wild. Get back. Get out. I'm gonna lower your plow so your lights will actually shine. Don't go in the ditch now. Oh, this is really hard to do while you're holding a phone. Here we go. I thought this would give a better perspective of a shot. Maybe how you can see the depth of the snow. Here's the pickup, 3/4 ton pickup. That's a 34-inch tall tire. If you draw that line straight across from the tire, it's about even with the bottom of this little cup, where the bottom of that chrome strip is above the top, I guess, of the cup, where you put your foot. So if you draw a straight line past that, be a little above it. So if you go below it, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 inches, it's almost dead even with that. So that distance there is about 4 or 5 inches. So 29-ish inches. It's about flush with the top of my ball hitch. Okay, well, I finished up a little bit I wanted to do tonight. You guys can see the results. That's looking up the road, down the driveway, where it's looking like a tunnel now, folks. It is totally looking like a tunnel. Well, I'm on my way home, and just to give everyone an idea of the impact of this, storm we just got, it is 5:42 p.m., which would be normally rush hour. This is the main highway going towards Anchorage, going in and out of Wasilla. We're north of Wasilla headed in, and normally this is, I wouldn't say bumper to bumper traffic, but there's usually plenty of other vehicles on the road with you when you're headed into town. This is crazy. There's nobody on the road. Every once in a while, like, here comes a couple vehicles going the other way. There's like a couple here, a couple there. Like, it's like 6 o'clock at night on a Monday. There should be people everywhere. This is like our main rush hour time. Between probably 4 to 7 o'clock is our rush hour here. And yeah, there's like almost no one on the road. It's gonna be an interesting week. I just thought I would show this whole, like, the intensity of this has created, a lack of traffic, with people just not going to work today because of how deep the snow was. We're out at the Homestead, and I got the truck in the driveway. You can see there, parked, and she's gonna sit there for a little while today. I'm gonna use the tractor. The snow is deep. How deep, you say? Well, deep. It was boiling over the blade of the plow yesterday when I was pushing it. I can't really backblade it because it's so thick and heavy and so deep that when I have to do like little tiny sections at a time to backblade it, which is really a pain and takes a long time. So I'm gonna fire up the tractor and just put the bucket on there and start going to town. is so darn deep as the tractor is dragging through the snow. The box blade can't even lift up high enough to get clearance of the snow, so it's touching the snow and dragging. This is gonna be tough. Hopefully this works out. I gotta go get the bucket on. That's gonna be the next fun project. Got her pretty much done up here. Got the tractor. Luckily it did everything. It was the only way to do this. The truck never would have been able to pull this off without getting stuck repeatedly, and I would have to shovel it, and whew, it would be a lot of work. Kind of like what I went through the other day at the fourplex. I'm going to show you guys something cool I did. Something fun. Took all the snow, you know, when I was pushing it up here. Well, I took the blade and I tried the bucket and I tried to make a little snow hill here, a sledding hill for the kids. Kind of like a gradual swoop. They can slide down. You know, just for funsies. Kids like to just slide and do stuff in the snow. Just let them slide. Okay, so next, the last part is the worst part. And here it is. Dun, 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 dun. There's my, it's about 18-inch wall of snow. There's my little footprints coming up this morning from when I hiked up to get to the tractor. The truck's parked down, ooh, hey, unfocus, focus, down there around the corner. Can't get your finger in there, it focuses on it. So anyways, yeah, so this is where we're at here. I'm going to try to put you guys on POV footage and let you see like my footage from the tractor seat. It's starting to get dark. It's about 3:30. I'm going to put this thing on my head and I'm going to let you guys try to see what's happening, and I'm going to head on down the hill there and try to connect into the part I did last night with the truck. Yep. Yep. Again. 3 times now. Dumped snow over a foot deep. This is the 3rd time. This is December. Let's see, we're Thursday today. December 15th, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the old. At this point, it's pretty routine. Yep, 14 inches of snow. Yeah. So, sorry to say, there's probably not going to be any logs harvested this week. At this rate. You know, it's just an Alaska thing when there's a lot of snow. Oh man, I'm sorry. I couldn't even keep the attitude going. Dude, there's just a lot of snow. It's just crazy. So here we go. We're gonna keep plowing, and I'll do some more footage probably up at the property, up at the homestead, and keep this rolling with the snow removal until it's gone. It's supposed to be this is it. Supposedly this is gonna stop now, and then it's gonna get clear and colder, and maybe we'll get a chance to do some logs next week. So, anyways, hang in there, guys. It is a white Christmas in Alaska. Oh my gosh, you guys, what am I doing? Well, it's 8:40 in the morning and I should be plowing, but I'm at the local grocery store here. Look what I'm getting. Yeah, we went to shovel out this morning, and well, one of my lovely children took off last night with the snow shovel and went outside to play with it, and they left it in the snow. So now it's in the snow somewhere. Oh, let me get in the truck. It's in the snow somewhere at the house. We don't know where, so we looked around for it. We stomped around. We found a couple of their small kids' shovels, but no. Of course, they had to take Mom and Dad's shovel, and we only had one, so here I am, grabbing 2 shovels now, so we can't lose them. They're red. That'll be good. Word to the wise, folks. The night before a snowstorm, make sure your shovels are secure. Even if you let your kids play with them, you should probably double check. That's worth it. So something funny, because I'm at the gas station right at the same grocery store area where I was getting the snow shovels, and I wanted to show you guys something funny. There's the there's the propane tank dispensary like lock boxes. I don't know if anybody's going to be getting any propane anytime soon from there. This is like a little kiosk thing where they have like cigarettes and like motor oil and some, you know, pretty knick-knacky small like convenience type things, and it's usually open and you can go in there through this little door, but there's not. It's just snowed in. It's all closed down. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all the snow machine tracks on this little hillside right here. People have been out ripping. This weather is just like, people are just going crazy. Everybody's just riding everywhere. This is nuts. I want to touch on the fact that this is not normal for us. Like, we don't always get this much snow. This is sometimes what we would get, this much snow over the accumulation of the entire winter. You know, we would get 4 or 5 feet of snow over the span of, you know, from November to December starting all the way through, and then ending in like April, where it won't snow anymore, going into May. No matter what, it's going to be spring and summer. You know, that time span, we'd get 4 to 5 feet on a good year, on like a good year. This year we have, I mean, I haven't done the math yet, but we've almost gotten 4 feet of snow in 3 storms that have come in a succession pattern of about 1 to 1.5 days of high pressure in between each storm, which is, it's only been like 9 days or something of time that's gone by, and we've gone from having about 10 or 12 inches of snow on the ground to like seriously almost 5 feet of snow on the ground. It's like not normal. I just want to make sure everybody understands. Like, when we're out in the property and you see me doing the sheds and all that, that depth of the snow where it is right now, where it's starting to get to where the sheds sidewalls, you know, the snow is almost all the way up those sidewalls. That's not normally like that this time of year. This is like when we only have like a foot of snow, or maybe 2 feet of snow at the most, not 5 feet of snow before Christmas. Here we are back up at the homestead, everybody, and this last storm came through, and you can see I actually made it all the way up with the truck. I haven't plowed or used the tractor or anything yet. This storm wasn't as bad. This was, I mean, maybe you can kind of see, I guess, if I hold you like that, you can see my boots. You know, like it's like almost up to the label on my sorrels, maybe. Like probably about 8 inches deep, I would guess, maybe 9 inches at the most. I mean, definitely not 14 or 16 or whatever that they were saying. The old sheds are all covered in snow again, but this is like really light, fluffy snow, so it shouldn't be too bad for the sheds. Tractor's still snowed in. I'm gonna get that going if I need to today, but man, I gotta tell you guys, it's cold. Like, I'm gonna have to jump back in the truck because I didn't throw my jacket on. It is -10 right now, Fahrenheit. It's just a cold, like this says it all. It's just kind of a cold, sunny, clear day. I'm gonna get to plowing. You know, you guys have seen all this multiple times now, so I'm definitely not gonna do any recording of me plowing. This is basically the wrap. We're gonna spend some time today. We're gonna get the snow cleaned out, and we're gonna be ready for next week. We're gonna move some logs, boys and girls. I don't care if it's 5 feet deep out there. I'm still gonna try and get some logs. We might have a change in plan on how we're gonna do the foundation. Well, this is a wrap for this snow removal, storm-mageddon, whatever you want to call it. You guys watch me get unstuck. You've watched me plow 3 different storms now. Stick with us. This is Hunter at Alaska Wild Mountain Family YouTube channel saying, have a great day. Just got home to the fourplex. There's the driveway to the fourplex over there. There's the moose. Oh my gosh, look at this poor moose. You guys, look at that. Did you see that? She was struggling to get through that bank. Now look at the baby. The baby's like, I don't think I can do that, dude. Look at him. Oh, he's gonna go for it. Dude, this snow is ridiculously deep, you guys. That mama moose is like sitting there. Oh no, poor baby. Come on, baby, make it. You can make it, dude. You got it? Yeah, baby, you got it. All right.